Hello everyone. Today we are going to see an interesting topic that the top 10 countries who have taken the more loan, that is the most debt. So we'll see one by one that the first country which stands at the 10th position, that is the Canada, whose population is 3 crore and 75 lakh near about. And if we see their GDP, it is 1.92 trillion dollar, and they have taken the loan of 2.12 trillion dollar. And if we compare with the GDP, it is near about 160% of their GDP. And if we calculate the loan per person, it is $52,300, that is nearly about 38 lakh. The next, on the ninth position, it comes the Spain, whose population is 4 crore near about, and its GDP, it is 1.39 trillion dollar, and they have taken the loan of 2.36 trillion dollar. And again, if we compare with the GDP, it is 164% of their GDP. And the loan coming per person, here again the $49,400 per person, that is equal to 36 lakh per person, that is the loan. The next comes at 8th position, it is Italy, and whose population is 6 crore and the 4 lakh. Their GDP, it is 1.99 trillion dollar, and they have taken the loan of 2.91 trillion dollar, and which is, it is 134% of their total GDP. And here again the per person, it comes 30 lakh rupees loan. And then next, on the 7th position, it comes the Luxembourg, whose population is just above the 5 lakh, and their GDP, it is just 70 billion dollar, and they have taken the loan, it is of 3.94 trillion dollar, and it's 533% of their total GDP, right? And if we see the per person loan, it is coming the near about 1 crore rupees, which is very huge. The next, at 6th position, it comes the Netherlands, whose population is 1 crore and 70 lakh, and their GDP, it is 914 billion dollar, and they have taken the loan of the 4.13 trillion dollar, and it is again 451% of their GDP. And here again the loan which is coming per person, it is again the above 1 crore per person. The next, at 5th position, it comes the Japan, whose population is above the 12 crore, and whose GDP is 5.13 trillion dollar, and they have taken a loan of 4.70 trillion dollar, which is just below 100, that is 86% of their GDP. The next, it comes at the 4th position, it's Germany, whose population is 8 crore and the 30 lakh. Their GDP is 3.8 trillion dollar, and they have taken a loan of 5.73 trillion dollar. It is 148% of their GDP. And here per person, that loan, it comes $69,000 or 50 lakh per person. The next, at 3rd position, it comes the France, whose population is the 6 crore, and their GDP, it is 2.71 trillion dollar. They have taken the loan of 6.65 trillion dollar, and which is the 245% of their GDP. And per person, it loan comes $88,000 or 38 lakh. Then at the 2nd position, it comes the United Kingdom, whose population is 6 crore and 66 lakh, and their GDP, it is 2.75 trillion dollar. and they have taken the loan of $8.61 trillion, and it is 313% of their GDP. And here again, per person the loan it comes $1,27,000 or 92 lakh per person. Then at the last, that is our first position, it comes the United States, whose population is 32 crore and their GDP is $22.32 trillion, and they have taken a loan of $25.04 trillion. It is 114% of their GDP. So here again, per person the loan it comes $26,000 or 18 lakh per person. Now where the India stands? So the India stands at the 19th position. The India's population is 136 crore and 64 lakh. The GDP of the India is $3.20 trillion, and India has taken a loan of $558 billion, means it is just 75% of their GDP. So here per person it comes $424. It is near about 30,000 per person. So these are the top 10 countries who are having the more external debt and where India stands. Thank you everyone.